Whitson.
Hi guys, this is Rob from Icebox also here today. Just going to show you an install we've done. We've done a couple of these recently, but not in shop. Always been a mobile job, so this is our first opportunity to bring the install to the Golf 7. I think predominantly these videos go out for the UK market, so basically you can get this in, but only comes in the the gloss black finish. Unfortunately, the right-hand version is not available in the silver and the grey, but isn't for the left-hand drive, so obviously you can only get it in black, but as you can see it's still a nice finish. It doesn't really look that much out of place in the car. That's obviously got the greyish dash, but this is the CarPlay, which you can see, which I've set up for the purpose of the video. As you can see, nice and swift and responsive. This brings apps over from your phone. Now this predominantly is an Android 12 operating system, but comes with CarPlay and Android Auto built in. It is wireless on this connection here. I can't show you the Android Auto because I haven't got an Apple Android phone to hand. I've only got the Apple. Just bear with us one moment. Okay, so this is the CarPlay side of things here. As you can see, if you want to go back to the Android version, you would then go back to here, and this is your application center here, and this is your, let me just check, this is your home page. You can change this if you want, but you do need an internet access to, so as you can link a SIM card to or Wi-Fi in your hotspot. But if you go into there, once this is connected to the internet, you can download any sort of skins that you can change on there. I haven't got an internet connection just yet. Okay, so there's the Bluetooth there. Obviously it picks all Bluetooth devices in there. You can pair up to one of the phones, gives you phone book support, but once you've paired the Bluetooth, then you have access to going onto the CarPlay, which obviously is all wireless anyway. Navigation here, this is the Google Maps, which is pre-installed onto the system. Here you can download any map of choice, so if you like Waze or Sagic or TomTom or etc., you can go onto the Play Store and you can download the applications here. There's your radio. As you can see, this is all tuned in for the customer. Let me just double check the volume. So as you can see, it works with the steering wheel controls, which you can't see off site, but as I say, I'm changing things over. And 1 second, let me just double check, 1 second, there you go. So we'll go back out to this one here. There's your application center. Gives you a lot of back-end applications, a few little added ones which you've added on recently. I don't know what that one is there for, but it looks like something for games. Car information. Okay, so this can basically show you a lot of this bit of the car computer information that may be on the old system. That shows in there. So just a few little Chrome apps, and there's your Google Maps there. There's an app that the Chinese put on there, but we don't sell it with them. DSP sound processor center, so this allows you to enhance the sound output on there. So a lot of the systems today doesn't have the DSP processor, but this one does. As you can see, you can optimize the sound quite extensively if you wish. Let's have a little look. Okay, there's your CarPlay and Android Auto app. It says T-Link, but it's obviously that's where you get it from. Okay, there's your Play Store application there. So obviously once you sign into that there, then you can download all applications of choice. So if you want to download Waze and all that, you can do that too. A video app there, which basically might have a little demo one on there. Let me have a little look. You can play all your movies, put your movies onto a pen drive and play them through there. Same with the music. There's a YouTube app, which is already pre-installed. Okay, there you go. I'll just keep it short today. So obviously, if you've got any questions, give us a shout. We'll put contact details and description to the product down below with the link to our website. And if you've got any questions, give us a call back. Okay, have a nice day now. Thanks.
Whitson.